Welcome to the presentation on solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Up here on the top right, we have our quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And the equation that we will be solving in this video is m squared minus 5m minus 14 equals 0. So first of all, let's plug in our values into the quadratic formula. So our b term in our equation is negative 5, and negative 5 times this negative over here is 5, so it equals 5 plus or minus the square root of b squared, and our b is negative 5, and negative 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times a, our a term is 1, times c, and our c term is negative 14. And all of that over 2a. A is 1. That equals 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 plus 56, and because negative 4 times 1 times negative 14 is positive 56, all of that over 2, because 2 times 1 is 2, and that equals 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 plus 56, which is 81, over 2, and that equals 5 plus or minus 9 over 2, because the square root of 81 is 9, and now 5 plus 9 is 14 over 2, which is the same thing as 7, and 5 minus 9 is negative 4 over 2, which is the same thing as negative 2. So our two values for m are 7 and 2. 7 and negative 2.